Hello everyone. Let's dive into this HDMI and DP KVM switch designed for users juggling two computers with dual monitor setups. This particular model supports a single HDMI and a single DP monitor, offering a streamlined approach to controlling multiple systems with one keyboard, mouse, and set of displays. The build quality immediately stands out. The aluminum alloy shell not only gives it a premium feel, but also promises durability. It's lightweight enough to move around if needed, yet feels robust and resistant to everyday wear and tear. The unit requires both an HDMI and a DP connection from each computer, so it's important to set your HDMI monitor to the HDMI signal source and the DP monitor to the DP signal source for proper functionality. One of the most convenient features is the hotkey switching. No more fumbling with manual buttons. This KVM switch lets you switch between computers using simple keyboard commands, which can significantly speed up your workflow. This KVM switch supports resolutions up to 4K at 144 Hz via HDMI and 4K at 60 Hz via DisplayPort. It handles everything from older standards like 480i to the latest 4K resolutions, including 2K at 165 Hz. It also supports RGB 4:4:4, HDR10, and is compatible with HDMI 2.0 and DP 1.2. The auto scan and auto detection features are nice touches, ensuring a smooth experience without constant manual adjustments. It's also hot plug and play and HDCP compatible. Beyond video, this KVM switch also supports separate audio and microphone outputs, which is great for users who need to switch between systems for gaming, streaming, or professional audio work. There's also a USB 3.0 hub for connecting peripherals. If you need even more USB ports, the manufacturer suggests using a self-powered 5v3A USB splitter. The KVM switch is multi-platform, supporting Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Setting up automatic switching is straightforward. By pressing right control twice, then S, and Enter, you can enable automatic switching between computers. The default time is 10 seconds, but you can customize this by pressing right control twice, then S, then N, and Enter, where N is the desired number of seconds. This feature could be a real time saver if you frequently switch between systems. Overall, this HDMI and DP KVM switch offers a blend of solid build quality, essential features, and user-friendly operation. It's a great solution for anyone looking to simplify their multi-computer setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.